If your GFCI outlet is not tripping when it should during a fault, you need to fix that as soon as possible to keep your home safe. So, first off, grab a GFCI tester. These things are super easy to use and tell you if your outlet is working right. Plug the tester into the outlet and hit the test button. If the GFCI outlet is good, it should cut power instantly. If nothing happens, don't mess around. Replace that outlet because it's basically useless then. Also, check if the outlet is wired correctly. Sometimes reverse wiring messes things up and stops it from tripping. Make sure the line and load wires are in the right spots. If you're not sure, it's cool to call an electrician. Another tip is to test your GFCI outlets regularly, like once every month or two, just to catch problems early. Don't ignore frequent tripping either. It could mean a bigger electrical issue that needs fixing. Lastly, always turn off power at the breaker before messing with outlets to keep yourself safe. One of the biggest mistakes with GFCI outlets is not testing them regularly, which means you might not notice they're broken until it's too late. Another issue is improper installation, wrong wiring, or using cheap knockoff outlets that fail easily. A simple fix for both is to always test with a proper GFCI tester and replace any outlet that doesn't trip correctly. Lastly, ignoring signs like frequent tripping or a burning smell can lead to serious hazards. If you spot those, get a pro to look at your electrical system pronto. BigHomeProjects.com makes life way easier by hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. If you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid place to get matched with people who need your skills without all the hassle.